Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can bring the modern day technology from your iPhone right through your older car radio. A radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. We'll be using this gadget from iPhone-FMTransmitter.com. iPhone-FMTransmitter.com. This little gadget will allow you to broadcast and stream music from your iPhone right through your older car radio and add talk hands-free, as well as integrating GPS function all through your older car radio without any wire or Bluetooth. Let me show you how it's done. We'll just go to iHeartRadio and play the music right now. So this is what the iPhone sounds like right now, and we'll turn on the car radio. All you have to do is set the car radio to 87.9. Then simply plug in this device right into your phone.
And if you're still bleeding, you're the lucky one.
As you can hear, the music is actually coming through loud and clear without any sort of distortion or static.
And they are gone. We're setting fire.
You can turn it up. Now I'm going to show you how to use the GPS function. Simply go to the map, choose where you want to go.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Hong-Seo East Road, Section 5.
You can hear that the music actually fades out a little bit while the GPS instruction comes up. Now I'm going to drive and see how it works. We're going to put the phone over here and take off. There are lots of cars.
When you broke my chest, and if you're in love, then you are the lucky one. 'Cause most of us are bitter over someone.
As you can hear, the music's actually very clear without any sort of static or distortion. And now we can play the GPS.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Hong-Seo East Road, Section 5.
So this is how you can integrate your new iPhone right through your older car radio without any sort of modification. You simply get this device from iPhone-FMTransmitter.com. iPhone-FMTransmitter.com. This is Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.